No, actually, it's not open here. It's always closed. Hi, Flavio Fernandez, Beta. Hi. It's great. I will come to talk to you. Okay.
Magang daw ako. Nanawa.
Mm-mm. What's that? Uy, ano, takot ako dyan.
Manguha manig bata.
What's that?
Manguha manig bata.
It's utot-utot. Mhm. It's utot-utot. This is my son. Say hi. Hi. That's my 6 years old son. No. He's in grade school. Grade 1.
Ano ang gusto mo dakpan?
My friend, how are you? How are you, Makna? I'm okay. He's playing his phone niya. I'm okay. Hi, say hi. Hi, bapag hi. Hi. That's Mak Mak. It's Mak Mak, my 6 years old son. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from, Matnet? Philippines. Cute little guy, yeah. Actually, we're not the same face because he's from his father's face. Little guy, but his father is left us last 2022. So I am a single mother now. I raise my son with my own. So I'm here on the YouTube. So please help me guys to grow my channel, watch my video and don't skip ads, and also subscribe to my channel, and also buy super sticker, super chat, and be a member on my channel guys. It's very affordable. Very affordable. By viewing my videos and no skip ads, you can help me as I'm a single mother. So guys, that's all. I You can help me views, subscribe, and members, super chat. That's it. I know it's 6 in the morning, so I have to go guys because I prepare ourselves for going to school with my son. So I take him a bath and then, but you don't have yet be a member. Just go to my join membership. Sexy mom find a mom. Hello, what about you, Russell Roger? You will. You can buy super stickers. Why you don't like? Okay, please join my membership. I have also there my super chat, super stickers. Oh my gosh, I need to stretch. Before we'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Good. Ayay.
Alright, thank you, Sir Russell. You have some. Thank you for buying, just like Sir Russell. Oh, thank you, Sir Russell. Big help for me.
Dokoy kawatan.
Sir Russell is a very generous man. Always help my channel, guys. My friend, have a great day. Thank you, Victor. Like Sir Russell, oh, they buy super cheap, super stickers. Okay.